Hey, what's up YouTube? Back again today with another unboxing and initial impressions. Today, it's a pretty cool little toy. The Excelsior Drone Tank 2-in-1. Picked it up off of eBay, came straight from China. This is another one that took almost a month to get here. It is supposed to be a drone and a tank in one. So one key transformation. Supposed to be able to push a button and have it go from a tank to a drone. And it's supposed to have altitude hold, 1200 mAh battery, Wi-Fi FPV, and air-land mode. So not having the highest hopes for this, judging by the price, but another one that I'm hoping to get some fun out of. So let's go ahead and get this box opened up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so not the most robust packaging, but hopefully did the trick and kept it safe. Book it comes with, ages 14 plus, 2.4 gigahertz. Yeah, looks like pretty standard user manual here. Some assembly required maybe. Okay, so there she be. And I just thought it looked cool enough that I had to get it. She got the camera on top. This is the antenna here. Kind of popped out of its slot. But I don't see anything really damaged, broken too bad. Again, not the highest expectations. Obviously, not even. Oh, it does have some suspension up there. Let's see what we have in there. I can't see it, but it is definitely sprung. Okay, this back is solid axle. Front does have some spring to it, but the back is solidly mounted. So let's see what else we got in here. So they give you some Chinese instructions there, which won't really do me any good. But I'm sure they're all pretty standard trims and sensitivities and whatnot, so we'll figure that out as we go. But looks like, yeah, pretty standard, typical toy grade transmitter, and even a different colored battery door. Doesn't feel too bad. Obviously no batteries in there. It feels pretty light right now. But, yeah, it doesn't feel horrible. What else we got? The charger. A screwdriver. And it's like some extra props. And a... Oh, this is to hold the phone. You're supposed to be able to do FPV mode with it, so I'm guessing this maybe somehow mounts to here. Let's see, what do we got around there? Ah, clamps around it. Yeah, so it's pretty much just like the Inductrix one, clamps right around the antenna. So I'll be able to put my phone right there and do some FPV flying. So we can see how toy grade compares to the Inductrix video quality as well. So all in all, not the most robust packaging. You could definitely see some damage with these cheaper plastic packagings like that. But some extra blades. So all in all, pretty decent little package. Again, I'm not expecting worlds of robustness from it, but I'm going to get the battery charged up and we will give it a once over and see how she performs. So to charge this little bad boy up, you just pop this off, 2 little tension clips, and charge through the balance cable. Alright, it's got batteries in, and as I showed, got the LCD display, which I think was kind of cool there, all powered up. Cell phone mount in there, and it's actually pretty big. It will fit the Note 8 in there, which is what I have, and so it'll probably fit just about any phone in there. I'll try and get that hooked up later. I don't know how well it'll hold with the weight of the phone. That does feel like it'll move a bit, so the phone's probably going to sag and just end up bottoming out there, but we'll see how that goes. So anyways, let's get the Excelsior powered on here and initial power up and see how it goes. I did get the battery in and got the cover back on, so see it's got the steering trim adjustments here, which obviously not the fanciest way to do it, but should get the job done. So anyways, let's get her powered up and see if it actually works. I got a bunch of flashing lights, and probably give it a little bit of throttle. Some more flashing lights. I did have the transmitter on for a little while. I'm going to go ahead and power that off. Transmitter on. Power the Excelsior on. A little bit of throttle. And lights have stopped flashing. Yeah, alright, so steering works. And the driving does work. It spins out a bit on the mat here. Alright, and the back side of the instruction card that was over here does actually have the English labeling on here, so I kind of know what I'm doing here. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if we can get it to switch the props on. So according to this, we should just have to push and hold this top button here. And there it goes. That's pretty cool. There's just something about that I think is too cool. But anyways, now that we got everything working, we know it's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get the FPV hooked up to the phone, take her out for some spins, and we will be back with how it performed. So once again, thanks everybody for watching. Hit that like and subscribe if you got anything useful, and y'all take it easy.